Hey there, remember me? I'm back, the last person DayZ console YouTubers wants to see rise from the dead. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly set up your player spawns for PvE and PvP servers in your DayZ 1.12 update. Let's get started. To access your player spawns, click on the file browser and scroll down to the CFG playerspawns.xml. Here we have access to new features in 1.12. We can set player spawns for regular players on your server hoppers can be sent somewhere else on the map, and travelers have their own dedicated spawns. All good stuff. So let's dive into these player spawns. Notice that there are a lot of random spots where your player can spawn. Personally, I like to work with one at a time, so let's delete all of these extra positions and leave only one, making sure to delete the remaining spaces on the bottom to connect the XML. Now let's go to iSurvive on your browser so we can get some coordinates. And here, all you have to do is hover over the area that you want your player to spawn in and then type Ctrl-C together at the same time just to copy them. Now we head back to the Nitrado server and paste the coordinates using Ctrl-V next to your grid. Replace the values for X and Z and then save your XML. If your server was running this whole time, no worries. Just stop the server, save the settings, and then continue to edit your XML until you're done and then start the server. Server hoppers used to be a huge issue in DayZ, but now you can control this by editing the next section on the playerspawns.xml. So let's scroll down just a little bit. And remember, if this video has added value to your gameplay so far, smack the like button. For the server hoppers, the process is exactly the same. In this case, I left 3 positions to edit just to give you an example that you don't really have to do one at a time. And also remember that you can copy this code right here and paste it right below. Just make sure that you don't leave any spaces and you'll be able to create a brand new event. Minimizing this list makes it far more manageable to edit, and you can be far more specific about the amount of player spawns that you want in your server. The same goes for the travelers. You can choose where you want them to spawn and how many spawns by following the same steps listed above. If you're understanding how this video is going, let me know down in the comments. Now that we're good to go, save the XML, copy and paste your XML to Notepad++ to validate the XML. If no errors are found, go ahead and fire up your server and test out the different spawns. And remember that you can always take a trip by my Discord channel and take advantage of the free codes and the free modded XML section. You can also chat with other modders that are in your same position, and maybe they'll be able to steer you in the right direction. Oh, and make sure to subscribe with the notifications on to catch more modding guides for DayZ and Rust console editions. Stay sexy.